And welcome everybody to more one episode of Twowheels. My name is Marcelo Barbosa, and today we're here in the city from Berlin, where I'm living, and we're gonna do a small motovlog just to go around of the city, show you like some nice places that they have here in the city, and as well go to have a look if we can find something more interesting going on as well. It's always a nice thing to do, so let's do it. I'm going already wrong, I know, but it's something that I think like many people in Berlin, they're going wrong. The beautiful Fernsehturm tower, Fernsehturm they call it here. Here's the famous Berliner Mauer, the Berlin Wall. It's really the original one. So everything what you guys are seeing here, it's really the original wall. They have been keeping that here to be like kind of a museum. You guys can see one of the famous painting. It's the two ministers, if I'm not wrong. They kissing each other just to say we are back and we're we're loving each other again. Here's a nice as well place, like it's a club as well on the sides here, but here's a nice area as well. Like if you like come to visit Berlin, just come here to enjoy the day as well. They have a lot of different kinds of restaurants and cafes and as well bars, and some nice music as well. Like summertime, it's really great to be there. And that, guys, here is the most important church they have in Berlin, the Berliner Dom. It's like it's massive, man. It's incredible how big it is that here. And the police is here doing something as well. Something was happening here. They had already to stop here. It was something really bad was happening here. That's for sure. It was a crash, but should be like the police in a motorcycle there. 1, 2, like police cars. That's like something was happening and not so like so easy, let's say. And that, guys, here. If you guys can see, you can see the carriage and the brake on the top, and you can see that's facing the other way, and that's we like is the back from the Brandenburger gate here, guys. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful, man. It's like it's massive, it's huge. It's something like, for myself, if I would like make a comparison between, say like something like from the Greeks, maybe. So, and now we're gonna head to Potsdamer Platz. It's another place as well that's really famous in Berlin, especially when they have like the Berlinale. That's a festival of movies they have in Berlin. And the police is here. Hello. Another motorcycle rider here. Yeah, close your visor, my friend, because we are dangerous here. We are dangerous. That's the Potsdamer Platz, guys. That's behind me now. Right now, I forgot to tell you. It happens. Gonna turn now here right. We're gonna pass close where like normally like the motorcycle riders they stay here. That's like a meeting point, a really famous meeting point that they have here. You guys can see like it's already like some motorcycles here staying. And there in front of us, guys, is the famous Tigersäule. It's like a kind of a roundabout that they have here in the place where like they have a really big park in Berlin. That all green area that you guys see just this side or this side here, they are part of a park that's called Tiergarten. And the Tiergarten just means like it's a park for the animals. And if we're going here this street straight away, we're gonna get to Zoologischer Garten, where they have like a zoo there going on. And as well like a train station. No? Hello. Nice helmet from the guy here. And now we're gonna go to the Tigersäule. It's a roundabout, like I said. If you guys can like think a little bit about what we can do in a roundabout, maybe you guys will know what kind of video will be coming like soon. Maybe a challenge. Don't gonna say so much. You guys follow me, and that's why, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to give a like on this video and leave a comment as well. And guys, activate the notification, because every time the new video is coming out, you guys will get a notification about it. And you guys will know a new video from the twowheels is out for you guys. So that's the famous Tigersäule, the gold one, the gold angel. See what's happening here, guys. Oh, girls, what's wrong? So guys, then we could have been seeing today the Berlin Wall, the TV Tower, Alexanderplatz, and we have been passing as well to Brandenburger Gate, because you guys could have been seeing as well. We have been passing the Berliner Dom. We have been passing as well like on the Potsdamer Platz, and we have been passing as well on the Tigersäule. And now, thank you to be following me till now, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like on this video, leave a comment, and activate the notification that you guys knows when always like gonna come a new video from me on the channel. You guys will know straight away. Don't forget to do that, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.